This is the practice test for measurements. Here we're working on problem number 3, and the problem states 45 centimeters is equivalent to how many inches. So we want to convert centimeters to inches. Centimeters is a metric unit of measure, inches is a US unit of measure, and we're going to go to our formula sheet, our conversion table, and we're going between metric and US units. So we're going to be looking under the length formulas here, and we want a formula that goes from inches to centimeters. So we have one right here. 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeters. So that is going to be our formula in this problem, and we're going to take that formula and set it up as a ratio here. 1 inch on top is equal to 2.54 centimeters on the bottom. And then we are going to solve this problem using a proportion. And so on the other side, we are going to take what's given to us in the problem, 45 centimeters. We're going to put that on the bottom. And we put that on the bottom here because we have centimeters on the bottom on the left. And then we're going to solve for the number of inches on top. So we need the same units on the top on both sides and the same units on the bottom on both sides. Once we have the proportion set up, now we are going to solve it, and we look for the two numbers that are across from one another, 1 and 45. We multiply them, and then we always divide by the leftover number, and that solves for the unknown in the proportion. And in this case, you should get 17.716 on your calculator. And when you're going to round this at the tenths place, which is the first digit to the right of the decimal point, the 7, and we look next to it and we have a 1, which is less than 5, so the 7 stays the same. The answer is 17.7 inches, which is B in this problem.